Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can get new users on Temu, which means let's say you want to add your friends on your Temu as well. You guys can do that by using the referral link of Temu. Now if you don't want to use the referral link of Temu, you can just basically message your friend and tell them to download Temu app from App Store and they can do it themselves. But if you send them the referral link, then you will get a chance to win a prize. So I think this is a good method. So instead of telling them to download Temu themselves, do this. Click on you at the bottom, click on where it says earn credit and free gifts. From inside here, click on where it says refer and earn. Once you click on it, click on where it says invite new app user. And you can see the option called copy link, click on it. Once you click on it, click on OK. Now once the link is copied, just give this link to your friend. You can give it to them using Messenger or anything. But once your friend clicks on that link, it'll take them to the page where they can download Temu app. And if they download Temu app using your referral link, you will get a chance to spin this wheel. And if you spin this wheel, you might win $1 or you might win a lot of money as well. So keep that in mind. That is how you guys can get new user on Temu. First, you can just tell them to download from App Store or use the referral link to send them the link and they download it. So hope you understand how to get new users one step. I'll see you guys next time.